where we all together learn and improve our English language skills. Today we're going to pay a special attention to the present perfect form and some of the words that go along with this tense. But before we do that, let's look at the conversation between a bridesmaid and a bride. So the bridesmaid is asking, has your boyfriend proposed to you already? And the bride is answering, no, not yet, but I think he will after I show him my wedding dress. Again, it's just a humorous example, and the words here in red color actually indicate the usage of the present perfect form. And let's move to our lesson and talk about more how we use these words. Today we are going to pay a special attention to the words just, yet, and already, since those words in most cases would indicate the usage of the present perfect form. For example, I haven't been to London yet. I have highlighted the word yet, and in this case, we see that this word talks about the present perfect form, haven't been. So let's start with the word just. The word just is used to talk about the things or events that happen a short before now. Where is Stephen? He has just left. Has left. I have just finished my homework. Have finished. Mark, come and try this apple pie. Your sister has just baked it. Has baked. So as you can see, just very often is used with the present perfect form. The next one, already, is used to talk about the things or events that occurred before you expected. Examples. Do you want some of my burrito? No, thank you. We have already eaten. Have eaten. My parents have already paid off their mortgage. Have paid off. Would you like to take U.S. history this semester? No, I have already passed this course. Have passed. So again, when you have the word already and you talk about the events in the past, very often you would use the present perfect form. The next one, yet, is used to talk about the things or events that haven't happened up till now. Has your friend seen your new car yet? No, not yet. This company hasn't launched their new product yet. Have you met our new principal yet? Yes, I met him already. And the last part, very often we would hear about the events that happened multiple times in the past at some unspecific point. And in those cases, we would also utilize the present perfect form. Examples. Let's watch the movie Titanic. Oh no, I've watched the movie over 20 times already. So we have here 20 times. And when we talk about that amount of times, we would use the present perfect form. I believe I've talked to this professor once before. Again, we talk about some unspecific point in the past. Therefore, we are using the present perfect form. And the last one, would you like to spend our vacation in Canada this winter? Yes, I've been there 4 times already, and I still want to come back. Here we have the example 4 times. Again, it's a multiple times in the past, and therefore we would use the present perfect form. So this is it for our today's video, my dear friends. Thank you so much for being with us today, and stay tuned and look for more videos from Highlands Community Chore and Technical Schools. Goodbye.